Welcome to all. In the previous podcast, we are discussed about what is auditing and what is the characteristics of auditing and the features of auditing. Now I explained about auditing versus accountancy. It means differentiate between auditing and accountancy. Accountancy is a part of recording, classifying, and summarizing in terms of money transactions and events of financial nature and interpreting the result thereof. But auditing is begins where accountancy ends. It is different from accountancy in certain respects. Now we are differentiate the auditing versus accountancy. The audits and accountancy are uh, different some basis. First one is nature, second one is scope, the third is object, fourth is mandatory qualification of the act, hierarchy accounting, period, employment, consideration, report preparation. First, it was difference in nature. Auditing is independent examination of financial records and statements by qualified person, but accountancy is concerned with compilation of accounting information for preparing profit and loss account and balance sheet. Scope: auditing is more than routine checking. Its scope extends to see that the transactions have been carried out in the best interest of the business. Accountancy is limited to preparation of financial statement and their interpretation. The third one is object. Auditing object is to ascertain the truth and fairness of financial records and statements and to comment on them. But accountancy arrives at the profit earned or loss sustained for the year and the financial position at the year end. Fourth one is mandatory qualification of the act. An auditor must be chartered accountant within the meaning qualification is mandated, but accounted not a chartered but accountant not a chartered accountant. There is no qualification is mandated. Hierarchy accounting. Auditing begins where ends, but accountancy start where bookkeeping ends. The next one is period. Auditing is done at the end of the financial year. Accountancy is carried out throughout the year. Next is employment. An auditor is independent of the organization. He is not an employee, but accountant is the employee of the organization. Next one is consideration. Auditor's remuneration is as per the agreement by way of fee or a fixed sum. Accountant is the employee of the organization. So, salary is given by the company, not it's called remuneration. Otherwise, he without consideration, the company provide only salary. Next is report preparation. An auditor prepares and submits audit reports about the true and fair view of financial records. An accountant need not prepare a report on the accounts and statement compiled by him. There are the difference from auditing and accountancy. I assure all are cleared about differentiate between auditing versus accountancy. Thank you all.